Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use Easy Off on your stove top. First, make sure your stove top is completely cool to the touch and all burners are turned off. Next, remove any grates, burner caps, and loose food particles. It's also a good idea to lay down some newspaper or old towels around the stove to protect your countertops from any overspray. Now it's time to apply the cleaner. Give the Easy Off can a good shake for about 30 seconds to ensure the product is well mixed. Hold the can approximately 6 to 9 inches away from the stove top surface. Apply a generous, even layer of the foam over all the greasy and grimy areas you want to clean, making sure to cover them thoroughly. Once applied, let the Easy Off foam work its magic. For light grease, allow it to sit for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. For more stubborn, baked-on messes, you might need to let it sit for several hours or even overnight to fully penetrate the grime. After the waiting period, use a damp cloth or sponge to wipe away the cleaner and dissolved grease. After wiping, it's crucial to rinse the stove top thoroughly with clean water to remove any remaining chemical residue. Use a fresh, damp cloth and wipe several times until the surface feels clean. Finally, dry the stove top completely with a clean, dry towel. Once everything is dry, you can replace your grates and burner caps, and your stove top will look sparkling clean.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.